Do you play acoustic guitar or want to learn? Introducing Acoustic Guitar Circle. A new online learning experience and community for all abilities. Facilitated by me, John Hart. On this platform, you'll not only learn by watching video tutorials in your own time, you'll also be able to post your own videos each week of how you're getting on with techniques, exercises, and more. You'll also get personal input and feedback from me, along with interacting with other like-minded acoustic guitarists in your group. All you need is an acoustic guitar, a phone, tablet or laptop to join. So if you fancy 2 weeks of free acoustic guitar lessons, come and join me at acousticguitarcircle.com. I'll see you there.